The Smart Car Air Freshener Aromatherapy Fragrance Air Humidifier is a game changer for car interiors. Its multifunctionality astounds me, purifying the air, emitting delightful aromas, and maintaining a perfect humidity level. The sleek design effortlessly fits into any car, enhancing the ambience with its calming fragrances. I adore how it effectively eliminates odors while creating a serene environment, turning every drive into a refreshing experience. Its ability to act as both a humidifier and air freshener is truly impressive, making it an indispensable addition to any car. The purifying seat perfume adds an extra touch, leaving the entire car smelling divine. This product has undoubtedly elevated my driving experience, making it an absolute must-have for every car owner seeking a blend of functionality and luxury.